Harsh and we are connected here. Today, we are here to witness the most anticipated event, the Sports Harmony, organized by the Education Committee of Maheshwari Samaj. Let's take a look. The enthusiasm of our students here is anticipated. All these schools have participated here. Let's take a look on the meetings and March Fast here. As you can see, the event has started and the first event here is the March Fast. Look at these tiny tots participated here. Look at the enthusiasm and everything. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship, teamwork and our dedicated young athletes. Let's have a word with them. Which event are you participating in right now?
I was a participant of badminton in Harmony.
Great. And how did your teachers help you?
My teacher's name was Lokesh Sharma sir. He guided us well for becoming a Harmony participant. He also told us how to play in the matches.
Great. Sounds like a great teacher. So how many events are you participating in today?
I have participated in 3 events which include cricket, under 19 cricket team and shot put and 400-meter relay race.
That's great. 3 events to participate in. Can you tell us how your teachers helped you in participation?
My teachers cooperated a lot with me. All my coaches helped me a lot to come to this place and show up my talent here. And all my subject teachers, they helped me to complete my syllabus which I have skipped during these events.
That's great. Let's have a word with our amazing coaches. Sir, what were the challenges did you face while training your students?
I am trained my students by shadow practicing, corner works, drop practicing and parallel practicing in badminton. And also we was doing very physical practices and then after we will doing limb bring down, cool down practices in badminton.
That's great. So many practices to hear about. What are the games organized in this event, sir?
There are 14 games like badminton, taekwondo, cricket, etc. And the last event is athletics.
Oh, that's great. Sir, what do you think are the benefits of the sports meet organized?
There are many benefits of sports. For example, physical development. When an individual participates in any physical activity or any sports program, there are many changes took place in his life. Second one is social development. When an individual participates in any tournament like Harmony, so many schools from Jaipur participate. So he or she will get a opportunity to meet different peoples by which social development take place.
Sir, so what do you think are the benefits of sports?
स्पोर्ट्स से आप अपने आप को फिट रखेंगे और तंदुरुस्त रहेंगे और फ्यूचर आप कुछ देश के लिए करने, देश का नाम करें, खुद को सेटिस्फेक्शन रहेगा. ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है.
That's great, sir. What do you think are the benefits of sports beyond physical fitness?
फिजिकल फिटनेस में अभी आपने देखा 2019 के अंदर कोरोना था, उसके अंदर कई लोगों एक पुअर फिटनेस के वजह से वो लोग कैजुअलिटीज हुई. अगर हर पर्सन अपने फिजिकल फिटनेस के केयर अपना ध्यान रखे तो इन सब चीज़ों से वो फाइट कर सकता था और वो फिजिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग रह सकता था. और फिजिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग रहने का मतलब ये किसी भी वर्क में, कोई भी, चाहे होमवर्क हो, चाहे आपका बिजनेस हो और कोई चीज़ हो, उसमें आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल रहता है, लीडरशिप क्वालिटी रहती है, गिव अप नहीं करता. आज के टाइम में मोबाइल का टाइम है, जनरेशन मोबाइल की तरफ ज़्यादा जा रही है. मैं ये नहीं कहता मोबाइल गलत है, बट आप फिजिकल के हिसाब से देखे जाए तो हम लोग जनरेशन फिजिकल कंडीशन से हट रही है. तो मैं आपके थ्रू बिहाफ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जनरेशन फिजिकल कंडीशनिंग की तरफ जाए और अपने आप को तंदुरुस्त रखे, फिट रखे. अपने पेरेंट्स का फिजिकल लेवल अगर अच्छा रहेगा अपने बच्चों का, तो पेरेंट्स का कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ा रहेगा, उनको अच्छा लगेगा.
What do you think, like, is it necessary for students to get in sports and what are the benefits of getting in sports?
स्पोर्ट्स से सब बेनिफिट है। स्पोर्ट्स में अगर बच्चा रहेगा तो ना बीमार होगा, ना आलसपन आएगा, ना मोबाइल में लगा रहेगा।
Hello, ma'am. I know you participated in the opening ceremony, so I would like to ask some questions. Like, how difficult was it training this so many students for dance?
बेटा डिफिकल्ट तो खैर रहा थोड़ा सा, लेकिन बच्चों ने एंजॉय भी किया और प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, लेकिन आप जरा पीछे देखिए, वहाँ पर इतने सारे बच्चे जो आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, मतलब इनके साथ वर्क करना डिफिकल्ट हो सकता है, बट एक अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस है, बहुत प्यारा सा।
Thank you, ma'am. That was really very nice of you. I would also like to ask you, what are your thoughts about this suggestion or thoughts about this event?
अच्छा है, ECMS का एक बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है कि हम लोगों ने इस इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज कराया है। एक तो सब बच्चों को मिलने का मौका मिलता है, और जितने ज़्यादा बच्चे आपस में मिलेंगे, इंस्टीट्यूट आपस में मिलेंगे, एक दूसरे को शेयर करेंगे अपने थॉट्स, तो वो हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए, बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल होगा। तो ये एक इवेंट बहुत अच्छा इवेंट है, और इसके लिए स्पेशली हम ECMS को थैंक्स भी देना चाहेंगे कि साल में कम से कम 2 या 3 ऐसे बड़े इवेंट होने चाहिए जहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को मिलने का मौका मिल सके।
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are here at the closing ceremony of the Harmony 2024-25, organized by the Educational Committee of the Maheshwari Samaj. All the schools of the Maheshwari Samaj have participated. As you can already see, the enthusiasm and spirit running through the audience. Yes, MPS Darshan, we are connected. Here we have our General Secretary, sir. Let's have a word with them. Namaskar, sir. You have been organizing Harmony for years now, every year. How is this year different from the rest?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ कि MPS इंटरनेशनल के द्वारा जो एक सुंदर प्रयास किया गया है, तो निरंतर इस चैनल के माध्यम से अभिभावकों को, छात्रों को, छात्राओं को ECMS से, स्कूल से रूबरू करवाता है, इसके लिए आप सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं। आज जो शैक्षणिक व्यवस्थाएं हैं, उन शैक्षणिक व्यवस्थाओं में जरूरी है कि बच्चों को किस तरह से हम उनमें सर्वांगीण विकास करें, उनको तनाव रहित करें, और उसका सिर्फ माध्यम अन्य शैक्षणिक व्यवस्थाओं के अतिरिक्त सह शैक्षणिक व्यवस्थाओं के माध्यम से बच्चों की प्रतिभाओं को उभार कर उसको उचित प्लेटफॉर्म पर लेके आया जाए, और साथ में उन्हें एक तनाव रहित जीवन दिया जाए, ताकि वो भविष्य में अपना सिर्फ ना मंजिल को निर्धारित कर सके, बल्कि अपने आप को स्वस्थ भी रख सके, तन मन से भी। और उसी क्रम के अंदर जो ECMS के द्वारा निरंतर जो हारमनी का 2015 के अंदर शुरुआत की गई, उसकी निरंतरता बनाए हुए, इसके अंदर हमेशा इसके अंदर किस तरह से इसके अंदर और सुधार हो, बच्चों का जुड़ाव इससे ज़्यादा कैसे हो, इसको लेकर काम किया जा रहा है।
Thank you, sir. And how would you like to motivate all the students?
आज मैं यही कहूँगा सभी बच्चों को कि वे अपने आप को तनाव रहित रखें, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वे जो सह शैक्षणिक गतिविधियाँ हैं उनमें पार्टिसिपेट करें। आज इस वैश्विक युग में जहाँ पर सिर्फ अपनी बौद्धिक क्षमताओं से, शैक्षणिक क्षमताओं से न सिर्फ अपने जीवनोपार्जन का प्रतिष्ठा स्थापित करने का अवसर, बल्कि उसके साथ साथ आज जो सह शैक्षणिक के अंदर चाहे खेल कूद हो, चाहे म्यूजिक हो, चाहे वो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट हो, उन सभी के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं भविष्य की संभावनाएं व्याप्त हैं, और बच्चों को अपनी अभिरुचि के अनुसार उनमें भाग लेना चाहिए।
Namaskar, sir. Here we have our honorable chairman. Sir, how would you like to motivate all the students?
मैं केदारमल बाला, अध्यक्ष श्री माहेश्वरी समाज जयपुर। हम 2024-25 में हारमोनी का जो है प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं। ये हम प्रतिवर्ष करते हैं, और इसमें हमारी 11 स्कूल इन्वॉल्व रहती है। सभी स्कूलों का आपस में इंटर कंपटीशन होता है, और हम बच्चों के विकास के लिए ये जो है हारमोनी का प्रोग्राम रखते हैं, जिससे बच्चों का जो है एकेडमिक के अलावा और भी विकास हो, और उसमें बच्चों को कुछ सीखने को मिले। धन्यवाद।
And sir, how would you like to engage all the other students?
करीबन जो है इसमें 5000 बच्चे भाग ले रहे हैं। हर दिन 5000 बच्चे भाग ले रहे हैं, और हमने स्कूलों में भी ये सारे प्रोग्राम किए हैं, और अभी 3 दिन से जो है स्टेडियम पे चल रहा है।
Hello, what is your name? Amira Kandelwal. Avya Gupta. Navika Jain. I do very hard. Which sir or ma'am prepared you? Munish ma'am. And you? Ash sir. You? Munish ma'am. Very good. How do you feel that all your students have achieved success and won medals?
All students are very happy to play sports and games.
What is the importance of sports and also what is the importance of organizing such events?
All we want to sport activity through Harmony. All students separately participate in all games and athletics play. So the main motive is this for Harmony कि all students are play. Sports is main in your life.
Good morning. We have one of our organizers here. So, what are the benefits of sports?
Sports for the manage your health, your fitness, your some activities, and maybe sports definition for the maintain your body language. You have to coordinate everything because everyone with the study and at home and school. So sports will be the manage your coordination.
And how are such events organized and how do teachers contribute to it?
Yeah, this is extremely contribute. I seen the this sports ground. So unbelievable, instruments and incredible this movement. Really, I appreciate.
Here we have our honorable principal ma'am. Namaskar ma'am. What contributions have you made to motivate all these students? As our students are doing so very well in the sports activities, in the zero period we are allotting the time to the students. Here in the zero period the coaches are coming in the school and they are giving the training to the students as per their expertise. Now the thing is that whenever we are having a substitution period, at the time we try our level best that the students should go in the ground and they should play and they should do so very well in sports activities also. Not only in academics but in the sports also our students are contributing a lot, and that is why you can see that so many students have received the gold medal as well as the silver medal. Thank you. And also ma'am, how do you feel that all these students have placed? These students are doing well. As I said, we have received near about 9 gold medals and 1 silver medal. Along with the students, I should say that our team of sports, the teachers, the coaches, they are doing so very well that the HOD of sports department, he is taking care of everything, Vijay Singh sir. And in his team, if I take the contribution of each and every individual, then you won't imagine that how much hard work they are doing, and they are giving the coaching to the students. That is why we are doing well not only in the junior classes but in the senior classes also.
And not for 1 year, for regular every year, 1 year after another. I really believe that, you know, if you participate, if you start sports from the school, that is the primary key. Then discipline, regular hard work, and following your vision will, follow your passion, invest your energy and time into something positive. And I strongly believe that with all these things you will leave indelible marks in the society.
And sir, how would you like to encourage the participants to reach even greater heights?
Slightly step back, all of you, 2 step back. I just want to say that participation is the key. All of you knee. We should all focus to result, but not always. Both the knees down. And the key to success is perseverance. Life will put you down every day. It's your wish that you want to get up and fight back or not. So I suggest all the young sports person that if you fail also, you will never start blank. You will start with an experience. So learn from your experience and move ahead in life.
Here we have our Honorable Secretary. Namaskar sir. Sir, what are your views on these kinds of events?
See, a healthy body can have a healthy mind, and a healthy mind can have healthy thought, healthy vision. So sports are a very, very necessary thing for having a healthy mind and healthy vision. I think these events are very much essential for the students, especially in these days' life when the whole residential areas are, they have no space for play, for sports. So these activities, we try to compensate those what they are missing. And I think this also inculcate them a team spirit, a spirit to fight, a spirit to contest, a spirit to have a passion, have a dedication, have a discipline in life. So I think apart from the studies, apart from the academics, having such sports activities is an essential part of life, and ECMS must continue. It's a great event.
And sir, our school has won in the under-19 category. What are your views on it?
Obviously, I'm quite happy, I'm quite excited, and I'm thankful to all those students who did well, who worked hard, and who brought this glory to the school. Definitely, I'm proud of it, all the students.
Thank you so much, sir.
We have Smash Mathur here with us, the best player of Harmony 2024-25. So, how are you feeling winning?
I'm feeling very good for winning this award. Thank you for our teachers who supported us for this.
So, how are you feeling?
I am feeling very good to achieve it. I am very happy, and I have practiced for many years.
And how did your coach help you to achieve this success?
My coach has helped me in many ways, physically, mentally. He made me mentally strong to achieve my goals.